freak snowstorm is here and I'm so excited. So it's right now, right now it's about 9:02. It's already about 3 or 4 inches on the ground of snow. I woke up this morning around 5 a.m. and it was sleeting. And then I passed out again and woke up around 8:30, which was later than I wanted to get my day started. But we're basically kind of in a blizzard watch because our winds are about to go up to 40 miles per hour. The snow is really, really heavy, like very wet and heavy. And because we're in New Jersey on an island, we don't get a lot of snow here. So I have no snow gear. All my snow gear is in a different state. I have no boots. This is the only jacket I have. And yeah, so yesterday I went to go buy gloves and some thicker socks because I have nothing. My plan for today was to do an off-roading adventure in the snow. But I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. We're expected to get 12 to 18 inches of snow. I've never driven my truck in the snow before, and New Jersey doesn't have any plows. So, and I do live on an island and I don't want to get stuck off the island. So I'm going to clean off the car and see what the day brings. I really can't guarantee that this is going to be an off-roading adventure, but we're definitely getting in the truck today and driving. Basically, I don't even have a car scraper with me, so I'm literally just gonna take the broom to the back of the truck and just wipe off some of the snow. And then, yeah, we're gonna see what we can do from there. Started my car to try and get this stuff moving. Oh, it's really packable. I might not be able to do this. Guys, Happy New Year. I don't think I'm gonna get very far with this. Oh my God. Oh. My number one rule when going out in the snow is never get your base layer wet, and I just broke that rule. I don't even know how the hell I'm gonna get out of here. I really had a whole adventure planned for today, but it's really looking like I'm not getting anywhere off this island. All right, my first time driving my Tacoma, guys, in this. Hold on, let me switch to 4 high. Okay, 4 high is on. Look at this! What? This is absolute madness. Don't do what I'm doing. So I'm so excited, guys. You don't understand how much I love extreme snow. All right. This truck is unreal, absolutely insane. Like, I'm not feeling any resistance at all. It's so crazy. I never did a proper intro too also. Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a happy, healthy, safe holiday. Thank you so much for watching. We hit 330 something subscribers. So I just want to thank all the new people here. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I love you all and I cannot wait to someday I'm gonna just go hardcore this year with my YouTube, and I'm just so excited to share my adventures with you and me and anything. Okay, let's go out in the snow because I'm just like way too excited. Not that cold out. It's about 35 degrees, but we have wind gusts of 40 miles per hour. So with the wind chill, I'm sure it's probably a little bit colder. I mean, it's insanely windy. I'm gonna keep the car running, but I'm gonna put the keys in my pocket. Oh my God, the wind, the wind. This is absolutely mental. I can't even open my eyes that way. Look at this badass truck. Oh, my mascara. Wow. All right, I'm gonna go try and pick up a friend. I don't know how this is gonna work. My next stop is the beach though. Oh my God, it's insane. Can I cross? Can I cross? No? Thank you so much. Appreciate it. It's all covered under, it's all underwater. There's no way really off the island. Okay, this is one of the non-perks of island living. All the bridges and roads off the island are shut down, so it's just everything's underwater because of the high tide and the snow. I'm gonna go walk on the beach and see what I can find. The truck is just handling so well. They finally got plows down here and they're starting to plow everything. I'm starting to get little drifts. My feet are cold because I don't have snow boots, but I have waterproof Vans on. It's on the back of the truck. It's just caked on the car. This is absolutely mental. Caked on. Look at this. Look at that. We're really starting to push below. Shit. Oh, my eyes. Look at the sand. I mean, the snow. We're really starting to push below freezing temperatures with the wind. I'm out here, Alessa. I'm not going to be stupid. I'm going to try to take a couple photos. We're getting 40-mile-per-hour gusts and it's really starting to get nasty out. So I'm gonna put you down. I'm just trying to get some shots and video of myself. Enjoy the show. Didn't die. Oh look, hey. Okay, so my GoPro's about to die. I'm really cold now, and yeah, we're gonna regroup in the car and I gotta figure out what adventure I'm gonna go on next. But this is so insane. I'm so happy. Holy crap. Wow. Mascara everywhere. Let me like regroup here. And we gotta go, I wanna go somewhere else too. The more I'm driving around, the more I wanna go drive out to this off-road trail. But I'm also kind of nervous. So we'll see. Quick voiceover here. So my friend Taylor and I actually ended up driving out to the off-roading trail, but it was shut down and closed off with gates, so we could not go off-roading, but we ended up walking around. After walking around the nature reserve and the off-roading trail for about a mile or two, the conditions were getting pretty bad, so we ended up driving back to the island, and this is what happened. Can't even see the bay.
Yeah, you can't see anything. It literally looks like we're driving into the abyss.
Oh my god! Yo, here we go. I'm nervous.
Here we go.
Two.
Trace.
Oh, my face is so cold. Wow. The taco. anyways, if this is where the video ends, I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I have big plans for 2022, and yeah, I'm just so excited to share more adventures with you, and I'm excited to see what comes out of this channel. Thank you all for watching, and just remember, life is dope. Just look at this. Successful day of adventures and good memories and fun. I mean, this is just caked on. That is actually insane. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, I love the snow. All right, time to clean it up. Walking this is absolutely nuts. That's a good way to break your windshield wipers. All right.